Pepsi's net income nearly doubled to a jaw-dropping $2.75 billion in the second quarter of this year. Last year it was lower due to a $1.36 billion impairment charge. What is impairment charge? A good question. Let me break this down for you. Last year, PepsiCo took a hit on an asset, and that's what an impairment charge means. This year, without that burden, their profits soared. Talk about a rebound. But here is a million-dollar question. How did they do it? Let's just say it's not all about increasing sales. In fact, PepsiCo proved that sometimes it's about smartly managing what you have. So, by hiking up their prices, they strategically offset any decline in volume. And voila, their bottom line is looking healthier than ever. Now, imagine you are the captain of a sinking ship. Water is gushing in, but you have got a choice. You can either scoop out the water or plug the hole. Which one would you choose? I know it's a weird question. Share your thoughts in the comments. So let's get a deeper dive into the finance. We have learned about PepsiCo's ability to manage volumes and costs to deliver significant profit. But what is the long-term vision? A question about the future. Hugh, Johnston, the chief financial officer, gave us a bit of a fortune teller's insight. He mentioned that while price hikes were used to cover increasing commodity costs, they could soon return to single-digit ranges in the second half of the year. So Doritos and Cheetos lover sounds like a bit of relief, right? But hold on, what does that mean? In our everyday language, it's like saying, I have been selling lemonades at a higher price because lemons got expensive. But now, lemons are getting cheaper, so I can reduce my lemonade price. Simple, right? But the question is, will that strategy work for PepsiCo given that their volume sales have been affected? Only time will tell. It's like chess. You know you have got to think several moves ahead and anticipate your opponent's strategies. The game of business is no different. So if you were the CFO of the company, what would be your next move? And here we are at the grand finale of our PepsiCo journey. I hope you found it as enlightening as I have. So we have talked about PepsiCo's strategies, their amazing CEO Ramon Laguarta, and their future prediction. But here's the thing, no company operates in a vacuum, just like you and I. Corporations are affected by the world around them. So let's zoom out a little bit and look at the bigger picture. In June, US inflation reached its lowest point since early 2021. And Liel Bernard, do you remember her? If you don't know her, it means you didn't watch my previous video, which is part 1 of this video. Watch it now. So Bernard expects corporate price increases to start coming down as consumers become more price sensitive. It's like the time when your friend who always buys the newest iPhone suddenly starts comparing prices because his wallet is feeling the heat. In my opinion, this overall economic trend could mean that companies like PepsiCo might have less leverage on pricing. In the end, the big picture matters. It's like being a great football player, but also understanding the overall strategy of the game. It is the difference between kicking the ball around and actually scoring goals. So what is the takeaway here? Business is not just about a company and its consumers, but also about the overall economic landscape. Now, that's something to munch on, huh? Well, that brings us to the end of our PepsiCo journey. I hope this deep dive has given you some food, or should I say drink, for thought I mean. Remember, in the world of business, knowledge is power. and staying curious is the key. As always, if you found this helpful and insightful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, join our growing community by subscribing and hitting that bell icon so you never miss out our bi-weekly rendezvous. Stay curious, stay informed, and I will catch you in the next one, which is this great video. I advise you to watch this video because if you enjoyed watching our journey with PepsiCo, I am sure you will enjoy watching this video. Go watch it now. Peace out.